Hey, this is Pallavi, and we are out with a new episode. I'm so excited because today we are at the prestigious, fancy Shanti Banaras located at Kalaghora, Mumbai. And guess who is styling me for today? Our fashion expert, Prachi Khare, who is a celebrity stylist, wardrobe consultant. But for now, she's busy picking my clothes there, so I'm going to run to her. Come on!
You know, the best part about Prachi is she's so nuanced with her work that she's going to pick something that fits you exactly well. And when we were sort of brainstorming which theme to sort of debut our, fashion segment with, Shanti Banaras came right up front. And the reason why Prachi chose Shanti Banaras was because of the Banarsi fabric. It goes back as a timeless traditional fabric, which is dating back to 14th century. Here are the 5 best Banarsi looks that you need to wrap yourself into right away. Whoa, look at that effortless look that she gave. Just like how Prachi likes to say it, effortless look. And she sort of started by transforming my everyday denim, like you can see, into a cool Indo-Western outfit just by adding a deep purple, rich Banarsi stole to create an asymmetric top. Oh, and do you see that sexy bikini blouse that she made me wear? And it looks just perfectly well on that jeans for some reason. And there you go, you drap that dupatta on my sleeves and it just feels like I'm just ready for your next cocktail wedding party. She just made me look so elite in it. I feel that bikini blouse is one thing that I'm still obsessing with. It's a thing, guys. Bikini blouse is a thing. The versatility of Banarsi fabric is truly remarkable. And Shanti Banaras makes it even more special. And well, look at that cute little pink blouse that I'm wearing with the Sahara pants. I felt like it was a complete outfit for me to hit any Sangeet. Prachi was like, wait, let me just wrap that black dupatta, which has this silk embroidered work on top of it, and you will look complete. And I'm like, okay, let's try that. And just see how she made me look. I mean, you can wrap it like a half sari or you can wear it like I've worn it as a dupatta. But this could completely be a go-to Sangeet look. So the good part about Banarsi clothes is that, each piece tells a unique story and takes over 60 hours of labor, of love to create, and on it for so many hours. And speaking of hard work, there's this man who I was told by the store that he drapes sari in a way that nobody in the world could. And the best part is he'll make you look one size thinner. And girls, isn't that something that we always sort of intend to? He literally made me look one size thinner in that blue, beautiful sari that he's wrapping me into. And you would just see it. There you go. I feel this is one of my favorite look from the video. But again, like I said, one of the favorites, because the favorite and the finale look is just gonna come as you watch this video. And for the grand finale, we have this cool, embellished bustier paired with the timeless Shanti Banaras hand-woven sari featuring zari made from pure gold and silver. And I'm not even kidding. They really used pure gold and silver.
And that was it. I know, right? I had a full princess moment and was styled by the one and only Prachi. And I know, Prachi, we were discussing for so long which niche to pick for our next Bold and Chic episode. Why Shanti Banaras?
So, Shanti Banaras is all about Banarsis and all these beautiful fabrics, saris, everything. It is about these fabrics. You can actually use these fabrics, and like Shanti Banaras, they have made outfits for kids.
Yeah.
They have made outfits for pets and coordinated outfits with the whole family. Plus, you saw that we used it in such amazing Indo-Western ways.
Right.
It can be used for a party, it can be used as an airport look with the stoles that we tried. So it's one of the most versatile fabric, which is kind of getting a very nice modern twist to it. Now, this wasn't how it was. And if you've seen the store, it's all about the experience, it's about the paintings. Tell me about the store, what was your favorite part?
I feel even though I didn't come here with the intent to buy, I think I'm just going to end up buying lots of things from here because the experience overall will just make you feel like a bride. And even though you're not interested in marriages, maybe this store will just make you feel like one.
For more episodes, you need to watch this space more. The show is called Style Savvy, where you get to get all the go-to fashion tips and tricks and hacks from the celebrity stylist and fashion consultant herself, Prachi Khare. If you like the video, it will mean the world to us if you could hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Hope you enjoyed it.